Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate all vouchers report in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. On this page, we have to click on the General Accounts menu. Here, we have to click on the All Vouchers List report under the General Accounts page. On this All Voucher List report page, we have to select the date range. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. Now the all voucher list report will be displayed on the screen. If you want to download this report, just click on the options menu and then click on the download options. This is how to generate all vouchers report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.